An email sent to Tesla employees by the company's head of Human Resources Department for North America, Valerie Workman, encourages employees to work if they feel comfortable doing so. This email was sent on March 18. The email says Tesla received conflicting guidance from different levels of government and shelter-in-place orders in Fremont, California, where its U.S. car plant is based. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. I'm about to read you Tesla's yesterday's email on March 18 email to its employees regarding the production and work situation. But please take a moment and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell and like this video if you like the information we report on this channel daily, bringing you the latest Tesla information. Tesla's email to its employees appeared on CNBC a few hours ago. Here is the entire email from Wednesday morning. Hi team, we still do not have a final word from the city, county, state, and federal government on the status of our operations. We have had conflicting guidance from different levels of government. Until then, we are operating with essential employees only while all others are working from home and working to incorporate all CDC guidelines into our operations. There are no changes in your normal assignment and you should continue to report to work if you are in an essential function: production, service, deliveries, testing, and supporting groups as discussed with your manager. If you are not assigned to support an essential function, your manager might suggest a temporary relocation to support essential functions, or you may need to be on call. If you are not feeling well, please stay at home and use PTO. If your PTO balance is low, you can borrow up to 80 hours, 2 weeks, after you exhaust your PTO balance. Please inform your manager and follow the normal procedures for sick time. If you cannot or are reluctant to come to work, you can also use your PTO. Please inform your manager. You can also take unpaid time off after you exhaust your PTO. You will not be penalized for your decision. There will be no disciplinary action for attendance based on health or impossibility to come to work. We will communicate with everyone again tonight, and we appreciate all you are doing to keep safe social distance. Thank you, Valerie. This ends the letter. Valerie Capers Workman, who wrote the letter, she is North American HR. So Tesla's North American HR leader, Valerie Workman, sent this email to employees on yesterday morning, encouraging them, as you could see from the letter, to come to work, promising they would not be docked points in performance reviews if they chose to stay home, and explaining in the letter why the Fremont factory and other facilities are up in and beyond in California. The email also said that Tesla has received conflicting guidance from different levels of government, and you saw yesterday's tweet from the local sheriff also. Tesla is reportedly running its Fremont, California car plant running Wednesday morning despite shelter-in-place order initiated across Alameda County and other counties in the San Francisco Bay Area to curb the outbreak. On Tuesday, 2 days ago, Alameda County said it does not deem Tesla's Fremont plant as quote-unquote essential business, and therefore expected Tesla to run it with minimum basic operations. That was a quote, minimum basic operations only, not cranking out new cars. Alameda County Sheriff's Office spokesman Sergeant Ray Kelly told CNBC on Wednesday, I quote, "Our directive was clear," end of the quote. He reiterated that Tesla's Fremont plant is not seen as an, quote, essential business, unquote, under the health order in place in the county. Tesla shares closed down 16% on Wednesday amid a major market sell-off. This is the situation with the entire market. We see a huge sell-off going on, and this is the times that we live. So I just wanted to let you know about this email, to share this information with you, and I will bring you more information on this channel as they become available. Please subscribe to our channel and stay in touch, as I'm going to bring you more information daily. Have a blessed rest of the day and stay safe.